What's going on, YouTube's Big Squatch in the house? Today we're not going on an adventure. Today we're doing an install on the FJ Cruiser. We're doing a short and really easy install. It's gonna be super easy. We're gonna install door striker plates onto the FJ. The door striker plates are at the bottom. We've got this rubber piece, and I'll show them to you. And I'll put part numbers below for the part numbers and where I got them. Let's do this. I got a real tiny space to work with, like not very much, as you can see. So we'll make the best of it. But these door hinges down here, you can see this seal, or not seal, this rubber right here. You can see how wore out that is. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. Let's see. A little divot there, how worn out it is. And this is the new one. So you can see that. So hopefully that'll make the door, I mean the door's shut real nice right now, but hoping seal a little better for that wind noise when driving on the highway. So this is going to be a T40 Torx bit. You'll need for that, and then the part numbers for the hinges, if you folks want to order, are going to be 69 410 35050. One's for the right, one's for the left. 69 420 35040. Those are the two you're going to need for the right and the left. I will put those part numbers below in the description, so in case you guys want to order and replace this, you guys will be able to do that. So this is what you're going to need: a 3/8 ratchet for this install, a T40 Torx bit for 3/8 drive ratchet, and your two door hinge plates. All right, those are on there pretty good. Blue Loctite. These have never been changed. There we go. It's going out. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit so it sits on there nice and smooth. Just clean this out a little. Flathead. I see I got a flathead on my Leatherman. I'll scrape some of this off. Wear and tear difference. Let's see. I cannot find a torque spec on them. If you guys know what the torque spec, or if you can find it, comment below. It feels good. I'm trying to be careful so I don't strip them. These Torx heads strip really easy. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. All right. Let's go do the other side. Bam. Dirt and mud. Bam. Done. Beautiful. Alright, and there's the finished product. I got both sides done. New rubber seals. They weren't too expensive. 36 bucks each. Huh. Yeah. I was getting a lot of wind when I was driving on the highway. You can hear the wind going. I think it was coming from the doors. I noticed those seals were wore out. The weather stripping doesn't look wore out. The stripping still looks good. So, change that, and we'll see when I get on the highway. See if we hear air noise or not. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Big Squatch out.
Squatch that like button and subscribe.